गोय सरकारान सद्गुरूच्या ईशा फाउंडेशनाचे माती वाचोवप ह्या उपक्रमा खातीर एमओयूचेर स्वाक्षरी केली। मातयेचो दर्जो सांबाळपाक आनी सुदारपाक मदत करपाची ही एक मोहीम। संगीत, कला आनी नाच हाचे सयत भव्य पद्दतीन एमओयूचेर सय करपाची परब मनयली आनी उपरांत सद्गुरू कडेन संवाद साधलो।
मातयेची भलायकी इबाडत आसा हाचे विशीं जागृताय वाडोवपा खातीर अंदू मार्चांत माती वाचोवपाची चळवळ सुरू करून सद्गुरून ह्या उपक्रमात सुरवात केल्ली। 27 देशांतल्यान ताणें 100 दिसांचो मोटरसायकल प्रवास सुरू केलो। ईशा फाउंडेशनान पयलींच जायत्या देशांकडेन आनी राज्य सरकारांकडेन एमओयू केल्यात। पळयात।
Ladies and gentlemen, as a part of the Save Soil movement on this historic day, the Goan government and Isha Outreach shall be signing a memorandum of understanding to rejuvenate Goa's soil. I request our Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant and Sadhguruji to please come forward. I also request our Honorable Union Minister of State for Tourism, Shri G. Kishan Reddy ji, and Honorable Minister for Agriculture, Shri Neville Afonso, to be part of this milestone step towards improving soil health with this movement. And now, Sadhguruji will be handing over the Save Soil Policy document to our Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant. This document has been carefully compiled and is packed with thorough research done by experts in the field of ecology and economy, so that it is not just an environment matter but also translates into prosperity for the farmers in particular and the nation in general.
Physical expansion is not good. Right now this longing to expand is finding expression physically, mentally, emotionally, maybe for a few consciously. If you seek expansion physically, it will end up as sexuality. You are trying to make something which is not a part of you as a part of yourself. That is the fundamental urge. If it finds an emotional expression, it gets labeled as love. Once again, you're trying to make someone who is not you as a part of yourself. If it finds a mental expression, we will call this ambition, conquest, or simply shopping. From your physical body to everything that we are using right now comes from the soil. And we just forgot that this is the source of our life. We started treating it as a resource. The moment you treat the source as a resource, there is a sacrilege which will bring enormous pain to us. Every one of us have fed upon our mother's breast. Shall we call her a resource? Hello? Shall we call her a resource? Or is she the source of our life? Huh? Is she the source of our life, or is she a resource that we can use and finish off?
Bureau Report, Goa 365.